Hi, today we're going to show you how to replace the UV lamps in this 15 gallon per minute UV disinfection system. Before we begin, you're going to want to ensure you have safety glasses and a pair of cotton gloves. To begin the process on this particular unit, we're going to push down on the main screen here until you see the lamp life remaining screen. On this screen, you're going to push the right button or the enter key, and it's going to ask you if you want to reset your lamp counter. Here, we're going to push the button again, which is your enter key. A cursor will begin to flash. You're going to push up until it says reset lamp hours yes, and we will hit the right button to enter that selection. Once you enter that, it's going to prompt you to unplug the unit and replace your UV lamps. At this point, we will take the power cord from your bottom left-hand portion of the unit and remove it from the UV system. Next, we're going to remove the top plastic cover from this particular unit. To remove the cover, we'll simply pull both sides outwards and simply lift it off place. On the top of this unit, you have two wing nuts on the front corners. We're simply going to loosen those wing nuts until this front panel can tilt forward and expose your UV lamps. These UV lamps will get quite hot to the touch, and this is where you're going to want to wear your cotton gloves. So once we put our cotton gloves on, we will also take our flat blade screwdriver. With the flat blade screwdriver, we're simply going to put it in between the lamp socket and the bottom of the UV lamp and simply give it a little twist. That will make the lamp pins come out of the lamp socket, and then you can simply take your lamp, which will once again be quite hot to the touch, and simply take it out of the UV system. When we're handling UV lamps, we want to handle them by the ceramic ends only. We do not want to touch the quartz portion with our fingers. So with the one lamp removed, we'll put it down in a safe place, and we'll go ahead and we'll take the second lamp out. Once again, we're going to handle the lamps by the ceramic ends only. Next, we will take our new set of lamps, and as you notice, on the top of the lamps there's a stop sign and a company logo on the other end. The stop signs will face the middle of the unit. So we'll simply slide those into place. The stop sign facing the middle of the system. Align your pins and simply push them down into place. We'll take our second lamp and repeat the procedure on the second side. Once again, you want to make sure that the lamps are fully inserted into their lamp sockets. With the lamps now in place, we can go ahead, close the panel back up, tighten up the two wing nuts, and reinstall our top cover. To reinstall the top plastic cover, you simply put it on over the UV system and snap it back down into place. The process is almost complete. Next, we will take our power cord, plug it into the bottom left-hand portion of the unit. The unit now will do its self-diagnostics, and your process is now complete.